Hey guys, this is your host Bushra and you're watching Sunday Spotlight. Today we're welcoming a new talent on our segment. He's new, he's fresh, and he's just getting into the industry. Let's welcome Hamza Chaudhary. Hi Hamza.
Thank you. Thank you,
How
Bushra.
are you?
Good. How are you?
I'm good, Alhamdulillah. So Hamza, tell us what do you do and tell us about yourself.
My name's Hamza Chaudhary, as you said. I've just completed my master's in cybersecurity, so a bit of that side too. वैसे usually music करता था काफी सालों से करता था, but अब I finally decided to put it out to the world.
Okay Hamza, so how did music happen for you? When did you know you want to pursue it further?
Oh, it's been a very long time. I was very young. बहुत छोटा था मैं. At that point of time, I remember कभी, you know how gatherings में घर वाले बोलते हैं कि कुछ गा के सुना दो. तो वैसे होता था. And people usually they used to मतलब थोड़े से अमेज हो जाते थे रेंज देख के. वहाँ से चीज शुरू हुई. फिर एक शो हुआ सुर क्षेत्र. I don't know if you remember that show or if you know of it. But उधर I sang in front of Atif Aslam. So he gave me the biggest compliment, the biggest hug. I was 11 years old at that point of time. So उसके बाद से it was, I knew that I have to make something out of it.
That's great. Also recently मैंने आपकी एक वीडियो देखी थी जहाँ आप आतिफ असलम के कॉन्सर्ट पे थे and he was signing your poster. How was that feeling like?
It was an experience of a lifetime. I'm going to tell you this. It was a very wholesome moment. I got very lucky कि उन्होंने मेरा पोस्टर देख लिया और he signed it. I mean, he's such a humble artist, right? He's very humble and he is like that कि वो आपसे बिल्कुल आपके लेवल पे आके मिलता है. He doesn't have that star kind of a thing, which is kind of weird because जब मैं देखता हूँ सोशल मीडिया पे उनके बारे में जो चीजें लोग बोलते हैं. अभी रिसेंटली मैं एक वीडियो मतलब मेरी वीडियो नजरों से गुजरी थी. There was कोई बुजुर्ग थे वो कह रहे थे कि आतिफ ने जो है वो पाकिस्तान का झंडा नहीं लाया and this and that. But I guess probably you need some kind of traffic too जब आपका चैनल नहीं चल रहा होता. But
I saw a publication post where it said that after Hassan Rahim, you're the new social media crush, and the girls were going crazy. How do you feel about that?
I mean, I'm overwhelmed. I'm, filled with gratitude. But Hassan Rahim is Hassan Rahim, right? कोई comparison ही नहीं है. But I mean, I was flattered. इतना बहुत अच्छा लगा कि लोगों ने टाइम निकाल के इस तरीके की they comment stuff, they take out time from their busy lives. It's just very, very humbling. I'm very thankful to those beautiful people.
That's great. Okay Hamza, tell us a little about Hamza outside of music. What kind of a person are you when you're not recording or performing?
भाई, I don't know if you're gonna buy this or not. मैं बहुत सादा सा इंसान. Introvert 4-5 लोग हैं मेरे अपने जिनके साथ मैंने कोना पकड़ा हुआ है. मुझे भिंडी रोटी खिला दो. I'll be the happiest person on this planet Earth.
Most desi guy.
I mean, it's. At least that's what I think. I don't have anything fancy going on. I just have 4 or 5 people who I connect with, who I really love hanging out with. Family बहुत necessary है मेरे लिए, बहुत important है. And I guess that's about it. That's Hamza Chaudhary.
Okay Hamza, tell us which fictional character you totally vibe with and what's your dream character?
I'm gonna say Chandler Bing from Friends.
Oh, I love him.
Yeah, मैं उससे थोड़ा बहुत relate इसलिए भी करता हूँ क्योंकि I'm very socially awkward, right?
Okay.
और I can't take compliments, but I can interest you in a sarcastic comment.
That's amazing.
So,
Moving on, अगर आपका किसी दिन बिलबोर्ड आए कराची, इस्लामाबाद या लाहौर में, तो वो किस बारे में होगा?
I think it should say Hamza Chaudhary, just getting started, a ride worth watching.
Nice, interesting. If your friends had to describe you in 3 words, what would that be?
I think the first one is going to be loyal. I mean, I think we got to call them, but I think it's going to be loyal. Then there's going to be perfectionist for sure. And then the third one's going to be very straightforward, very blunt. Loyal because I just don't leave my friends if they're in a bad situation or anything. मैं बिल्कुल उनको अकेला नहीं छोड़ूंगा. I would make sure कि मैं उनको इतना बग कर दूं कि वो मुझे बता दें कि what's bothering them. उसके अलावा perfectionist because मुझे यार हर चीज में बहुत टाइम लग जाता है. मैं even if the thing is मतलब ठीक है वो, मैं फिर भी उसको बिल्कुल end time तक उसको tweak करता रहूँगा, क्योंकि वो, and again nothing can be perfect, right?
Exactly.
So there's that, and then straightforward, because I will not sugarcoat things for anyone. मुझसे नहीं होता, जो चीज़ है वो है, जो सच है वो है. अब 600 लोग मेरे आगे खड़े हुए हैं और मेरे ओपिनियन को अपोज कर रहे हो, लेकिन मेरा ओपिनियन है तो I have to express it.
I believe that's a great quality for a human. Sometimes you have to be straightforward.
लेकिन कभी-कभी it gets you in a very tough situation as well.
Yeah, I agree with that. So now give us a sneak peek. What kind of vibe we should expect from your next release?
My next release, I'm very excited for it. लेकिन मैं ज़्यादा शेयर तो नहीं कर सकता उसके बारे में, but what I can tell is कि उसकी जो vibe है वो लारे, जो मेरा डेब्यू सिंगल था, उससे बहुत मुख्तलिफ है. It's the opposite. It's बिल्कुल ही अलग गाना है लारे से. और I mean, it's a song जो मुझे लगता है जिससे लोग बहुत कनेक्ट करेंगे, बहुत ज़्यादा रिलेट करेंगे, उनसे वो रेजोनेट करेगा. और you know, ये बहुत से लोगों की अनस्पोकन कहानी होगी, you can say.
That's great. We can't wait. What's the most played song in your personal playlist right now? And you cannot say your own song.
I think I have to check, but I think it's going to be Regardless by Asim Azhar, because it's a banger
I love
of a
that song too.
Yeah. Or it's going to be Raat by Atif Aslam, because Raat is just beautiful.
So I believe you like Atif Aslam and Asim Azhar both, right? Because I saw on your Instagram that you post about both of them a lot.
It's the thing is that I connect with these people a lot, and I've had the chance of meeting Asim, you know, quite a few times, and he's a very nice, genuine guy.
Yeah.
But otherwise, Pakistan में अभी तो सब इतना अच्छा music कर रहे हैं कि, you know,
Pakistan
everyone's.
music industry is growing day by day.
Yeah. You talk about Hassan Rahim, he's doing a very good job. You talk about Javi, he's doing perfect. I mean, they're just
Even
doing very
Javi
nice
just
music.
started, he blossomed.
Yeah.
What's one quirky or specific thing you do before you step on stage?
So there's one कि मैं, you know, I shake off my hands, hop around जैसे मैं कोई marathon
Getting in
भागने
that
जा रहा हूँ,
gym.
या फिर you know, just trying to wrestle someone. But this is और ये कभी मैंने जान के नहीं किया, ये subconsciously हमेशा होता है for some reason. एक ये है, और फिर एक दुआ है जो हम लोग करते हैं स्टेज पे चढ़ने से पहले, just to, you know, get things sorted.
Tell us one fun fact about yourself जो आपको लगता है you surprise people with.
I got this. I'm a very good cook.
Oh!
People, yeah. I swear I'm not lying. People won't buy this. I mean, people don't buy this. Lekin I'm a very good cook. I know how to cook food. I mean, through this, I want to tell anyone who's listening कि भाई अगर आपको इस चीज़ पर नहीं यकीन आता, मेरे घर का दरवाजा खुला हुआ है, आप आएं और आप आके मेरे हाथ का खाना खा के जाएं और फिर मुझे बताएं कि मैं सच बोलता हूँ कि मैं झूठ बोलता हूँ.
That's amazing. You would not expect a musician to be a great cook.
Yeah, I cook real good food. I'm telling you this.
That's a really fun fact. Okay, so now we're gonna move to the rapid fire segment of Sunday Spotlight. First celebrity crush.
I'd say Nazia Hassan.
Nice. If you woke up tomorrow as Atif Aslam, what would you do?
I'm going to make an acoustic cover of Lare and post it on my channel.
Amazing.
There we go.
Who's most likely to get a 2 a.m. call from you?
My sister.
What would your reaction be if a fan tattooed your face on their body?
I mean, I would be overwhelmed. लेकिन भाई ऐसी भी क्या मजबूरी थी?
क्या जरूरत पड़ी?
इतना भी क्या था?
The most embarrassing song on your playlist right now?
Dude, if I tell you this, I'm gonna get cancelled. But just for fun and, you know, कभी बहुत ज़्यादा मैं किसी चीज़ को लेकर खुश होता है, बहुत नींद में होता हूँ या मुझे किसी को छेड़ना होता है अपने किसी दोस्त को. So there's this song called I'm sorry guys, मुझको राणा जी माफ करना. And this is a recommendation to you too.
Okay.
आप भी जाके सुनिएगा प्लीज ये.
ठीक है, इसके बाद सुनती हूँ. Okay, next question. If someone made a biopic on you, who would play Hamza?
I mean, I think it's too soon for that, as I've just started. But सिर्फ hypothetical question के लिए, I think Ranbir Kapoor. Not because, you know, just because that जब वो किसी की biopic करते हैं, तो वो हर छोटी छोटी चीज, चलने से, बात करने से, hand gestures से, हर छोटी छोटी चीज इतनी इस level तक observe करते हैं कि when he plays that character, वो बिल्कुल it looks genuine. So because of that.
One fashion trend you'll never try.
I'm sorry if someone gets offended by this, but I think Farshi Shalwar. That's not because I think it's a stupid trend. It's just I think that I cannot pull that off ever.
I mean, you can
because of that.
experiment.
Oh, I can, but I think it's gonna be a nosedive.
Okay, now some questions music related. First song you ever played?
First song I ever sang. It's gonna be Aadat by Atif Aslam. I was 4.
I believe वो सबका पहला गाना होता है.
Exactly. अभी जो शो हुआ था उसमें आदत का जो आलाप आता है उसमें पूरा crowd. It was just it was man. It was an experience.
Magical. What would be your dream collaboration? And I think I know your answer.
I'm pretty sure you do by now, but I think collaboration right now पाकिस्तान में जिस तरीके का म्यूजिक चल रहा है, जो आर्टिस्ट हम लोग प्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं, any artist would be a bliss, right? Talk about Asim Azhar, talk about Hassan Rahim, talk about Havi, talk about Abdul Hanan. I would love to collaborate with any one of these, right? But for your question, my dream collaboration top 2 would be one's going to be Atif Aslam because मैं बड़ा हुआ उनको देखते हुए. Second would be Rohil Hayat in any space, be it गाने के किसी भी तरीके से उनके साथ collaborate या किसी space में काम करना would be an honor.
One instrument you wished you played?
I wish to play violin. I think it has a very, very sad tone to it. Yeah. It's just amazing.
A song you're currently obsessed with?
That's gonna be Regardless.
Stage or studio?
I mean, 2 different vibes, right? Studio is just for me, intimate music.
Yeah.
Stage is something that I love and I cherish every moment of it. It makes me feel alive. क्योंकि वहाँ पे fan मतलब जो लोग आते हैं आपसे interact करते हैं, it's just उधर थोड़ी सी socially awkward भी हो जाता हूँ मैं. But I mean, it's a bliss too. But for me, I think I'd go for shows.
First thing you'll buy after your first big paycheck?
I think I'd buy a gold chain for my mother.
That's so sweet.
Yeah.
Okay, so last question. If not music, what would you be doing right now?
भाई यहीं कोई हैकर शैकर बना हुआ होता, डिग्री तो उसी में ही कर लिया मैंने. So I think I would have been cyber security specialist or something like that. I was into cricket as well, so you never know.
Thank you so much, Hamza, for being our guest today. It was lovely talking to you. And so
thank you so much for having me.
Would you like to say something for the audience, those who are watching us right now?
First of all, this comes out of gratitude. Thank you so much for everyone who played my song, who listened to it. You guys are the real ones. And I just want to say, live life, love music, man. Keep the support up. ये एक ऐसी जर्नी है जो हम लोगों ने साथ स्टार्ट किया है और आज से 5-6 साल बाद किसी अच्छे बड़े शो के बैक स्टेज बैठ के चाय पियेंगे. So stay tuned.
Thank you so much, Hamza.
Thank you, Bushra. Thank you for having me.
Okay guys, so this was Sunday Spotlight. Hope you liked it. Please do like, share and subscribe.